something strange happened. The James Webb Space Telescope, our most powerful eye, went dark after pointing at Mercury. What Webb saw was so unexpected, NASA stopped everything. The news came in whispers and cryptic updates, a shutdown, a recalibration. Webb saw something on Mercury that challenged everything we knew. Suddenly the smallest planet was the biggest story in the cosmos. The silence from NASA was deafening. Let's break it down. NASA, the explorers who sent humans to the moon and rovers to Mars, now wield their most powerful tool, the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWS. This isn't just a telescope, it's a time machine, built to see the oldest and most distant objects in the universe. Its golden mirror collects faint infrared light, revealing what's hidden from other telescopes. JWS was designed to witness the birth of stars and galaxies, to peer into exoplanet atmospheres for signs of life, but instead, they pointed it at Mercury, the battered, cratered world closest to the Sun. Mercury, a planet of extremes, scorching days, freezing nights, almost no atmosphere. Scientists thought they had it figured out. A dead, rocky world. But science thrives on surprises. Every new instrument brings a new perspective. JWST's infrared vision can detect heat signatures and chemical fingerprints invisible to other eyes. When NASA aimed this powerful eye at Mercury, they weren't just taking another picture, they were performing a cosmic autopsy. They expected to confirm old theories. Instead, they found a new mystery. The universe once again refused to be predictable. And Mercury, the messenger planet, had a message no one expected. So what did Webb find? The telescope focused on Mercury's terminator, the line between day and night. In the frozen shadows of a deep crater, untouched by sunlight for eons, Webb detected a powerful, unexpected energy signature. It was a concentrated burst of radio waves, structured, narrowband, and pulsing with a regular rhythm. Not a natural geological process, not background planetary noise. It was artificial. The signal was faint, but for Webb's sensitive detectors, it was clear as a bell. The implications were staggering: an artificial radio signal from a supposedly lifeless planet. The team checked for interference from every known human-made object. Nothing matched. The signal originated directly from that shadowed crater. It repeated, a series of pulses, then a pause, every few hours. Not a message, but a beacon, a lighthouse in the cosmic dark. Who built it? Why Mercury? The signal wasn't strong enough for interstellar broadcast, it seemed local, like a marker. This rhythmic artificial signal from a barren world forced NASA to ask, what do we do now? The discovery was too big to ignore. Why shut down the telescope? Two reasons: protection and preparation. First, Webb is incredibly sensitive. Even a faint, unexpected radio burst could risk its delicate sensors. But more importantly, NASA needed time. A discovery like this changes everything. You can't just continue as planned. They had to verify the data, assemble experts, and debate what it meant. This is standard for a wow signal event. Stop, verify, think. Every theory was tested. Could frozen materials create a repeating pulse? Was it truly non-random? Only when all natural explanations failed could the extraordinary be considered. Behind the scenes, an intense scientific debate raged. Should Webb look again? Should we send a signal back? Or plan a probe to investigate? Each choice carried risks and rewards. The shutdown wasn't just about the telescope, it was about humanity pausing before responding to a universe that just got stranger. For a moment, science took a breath, and the world waited. What does this mean for the future? If the signal is artificial, it's the greatest discovery in human history, proof we are not alone. It could be ancient, a relic from a civilization that visited our solar system eons ago. Mercury's shadowed craters are perfect time capsules, preserving technology for ages. This would reshape space exploration. The search for life would shift to our own solar system. Every planet, moon, and asteroid would be re-examined for signs of technology. Missions would become cosmic archaeology, searching for artifacts and beacons. The questions are profound. Who were they? Why Mercury? Was it a warning, a map, a tombstone? The simple repeating signal says only, "We were here." Unlocking the rest of the story would drive science for generations. Whether artifact or unknown phenomenon, the event has already changed us. The universe is stranger than we imagined, and the journey is just beginning.